Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel English by Sadia with new method and new learnings. Today we will learn a very interesting and motivational paragraph, and its title is How I Learned English Without a Teacher. And I will explain each sentence in easy English and Urdu. So viewers, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more English learning videos. Learning English without a teacher was not easy, but it was possible with dedication and smart methods. यानी बग़ैर उस्ताद के अंग्रेज़ी सीखना आसान नहीं था, लेकिन मेहनत और समझदारी के तरीक़ों से ये मुमकिन था. It means that learning alone is difficult, but if you work hard and use good techniques, you can still succeed. I started by watching English videos and listening to simple conversation every day. Means I began learning by watching videos and listening daily. This shows that practice and daily habits are very important. At first, I did not understand much, but I kept trying. In the beginning, it was hard to understand, but I did not give up and continued trying. I also read short paragraphs and noted difficult words, then searched for their meanings. Means I improved by reading and learning new words. When something was difficult, I tried to understand it. Gradually, my vocabulary improved. In this way, step by step, I learned more words and became better at understanding English. I practiced speaking by talking to myself and thinking in English. Practiced speaking alone. Even without people, I trained my mind to think and speak in English. Making mistakes was part of my learning, so I never felt shy. Viewers, I accepted mistakes as normal. I was not afraid or embarrassed, which helped me learn faster. With time, my confidence grew and I became better at understanding and speaking English. So, slowly I became more confident and skilled in both understanding and speaking English. This journey taught me that consistency and hard work are the keys to success. In the end, I learned that regular practice and hard work are the most important things for success. So viewers, learning alone is difficult, but if you work hard and use good methods, you can do it. Viewers, if you want to learn English, don't wait for a teacher. Start today, practice daily, and never give up. Viewers, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English learning videos. Allah Hafiz.